automatic 3210L large bottle water production line with full process automated and standardized operation. Matched with the CIP system, all equipment is fully sanitized to avoid cross-contamination. Performs enter the bottle blowing system, integrated blow molding, and pulling produce uniform, food grade 3 to 10L empty bottles in bulk. Qualified empty bottles go into the filling and capping integrated machine. It automatically sterilizes bottles, fills water accurately, feeds caps, and tightens lids. Multi-size bottles can be switched with one click. Navan Machine supplies automatic rinsing, filling and capping 3-in-1 filling machines for unmanned operation. Large bottles are smoothly conveyed by variable frequency conveyors between stations, minimizing manual contact and secondary pollution. Bottles then go through air drying stations to remove surface moisture for firm label adhesion. Automatic labeling, sleeve labeling, and heat shrink labeling deliver neat, anti-counterfeit packaging. Intelligent inkjet printers mark production dates and batches for full product traceability to meet market compliance requirements. Qualified bottles are fully film wrapped for dust and collision protection, followed by automatic ring pressing to reinforce bottlenecks and handles for safer transportation. Robots stack finished products automatically, which are then transported to clean warehouses for classified storage. From water purification, bottle making, filling to finished product warehousing, this one-stop closed-loop production line runs efficiently, stably, and compliantly. Choose Navan Machine for your large bottle water filling production line.